Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn these three simple images, a Rolex watch, a cool t-shirt, and a Nescafé coffee box, into stunning professional product presentations in just a couple of minutes. Sound exciting? Let's dive right in. First, let's start with this amazing Rolex watch. We've got this beautiful picture, but we're going to make it even better by adding a fantastic background. So we created this prompt. Place the luxury watch on a polished wood table next to a coffee cup. Add a subtle reflection on the table, creating a warm, elegant, and refined atmosphere to highlight the watch's luxury. Now, we select the initial image of the watch, hit Edit, and head over to the Magic Studio where the powerful Background Generator tool lives. We paste our prompt into the generator and click Generate. And voila! In just a few moments, we have 4 amazing background options. We pick our favorite, and if we're not 100% satisfied with the lighting, we can tweak it or hit Generate again for even more options. Easy, right? Now, onto the second product. We've got this t-shirt with a laid-back California surf vibe. For the perfect background, we're going to test out this new prompt. And just like magic, in a few seconds, we're presented with 4 incredible designs. Personally, I'm loving the one with the small buildings in the background. It gives the whole design a nice, urban touch. Now, here comes the fun part. Food. Canva's Background Generator tool works wonders when it comes to food products, too. Let's take this Nescafé coffee box, for example. We've got this handy prompt ready to go. You can pause the video here to check it out. But once we apply the prompt, we follow the same simple steps as before. The result? A stunning presentation of the coffee box that will definitely catch the eye of your customers and help boost your conversions and sales. So as you can see, with Canva's Magic Studio and the Background Generator tool, you can create professional-looking product presentations in no time. We really hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed it, drop a comment below telling us which Canva techniques you'd like to see next. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.